Karens are infamous for their sense of entitlement, but what happens when they clash with the law?
I didn't do any better.
No.
From a soccer mom believing she can outrun the police in her Kia, to a Karen that begs for her mommy.
Mommy, please come here.
This video captures moments when Karens face the consequences of their actions. This doctor just called the cops on these innocent individuals, but little does she know, she'll be the one who ends up in handcuffs.
Muslims.
On April 1st, 2021, this woman had an altercation with a group of Muslim individuals, and things rapidly escalated.
Kiss my ass. Oh, I love your garb. You look like a fucking nigga.
Yeah? Oh, look at that, son. How do you feel, girl? Keep going. Keep going. Excuse me, keep your distance,
Pull that
please.
up. Pull that up, honey.
Yeah.
Guys are calling me cunts here.
Yeah, we're calling
They're
them cunts.
Muslims. They're here in our
that's right.
country.
Yeah.
In our country.
We're here in your country.
Get the fuck out of my face. Get her
I
out.
swear to God, I'm gonna fucking get you on the floor.
Listen, this
Move
guy
back.
is threatening me.
Move
This
back.
guy is threatening me.
Ladies.
The woman's strong language isn't itself enough to land her in jail, but when she starts swatting and then spitting at the camera, the police arrive and things take a turn.
Typical man to say that.
No, that's okay. Stand up for me, please.
No.
And just make sure you have
I
any
look
weapons on you.
like, look, I don't even
I
have
don't know.
pockets.
Turn around. I don't want to touch
I
you.
don't have pockets.
Great. Under arrest for battery.
I didn't do any better.
No, when you spit on people, that's battery.
That's right. The police she called aren't here to take her side, but instead arrest her.
You verbally abused me as soon as I got here. Did I spit on you?
No,
You're under arrest for
don't
battery.
do that.
No,
It
yep,
hurts.
definitely doing
That
that.
hurts.
Yeah, they're handcuffs. They're not for comfort.
Can
Let's
I
go.
take my purse?
Absolutely. Come on.
Oh,
Let's go.
please don't. No,
Oh,
don't
no,
hurt
you're
me,
definitely
though.
going to jail. Let's go. Walk. God bless you.
Yep. God bless me. God, because I'm a Christian.
Christians don't talk like you.
No, but you know what?
No, you're a prisoner now. I need to collect your
I've
belongings.
never been a prisoner.
Well, you are tonight.
Please
No,
don't.
no,
do
you're
that.
going to jail.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But you, can you apologize too? I apologize. I'm not a racist. I have friends that are Muslim. Stop.
So
Except when I
those
was-
same Muslims that you were talking shit to just decided your fate and they elected to not
Thank
prosecute.
you. God bless you.
Yeah, God bless them. Because
Luckily for her, the victims ultimately decided not to press charges and she was let free.
Thank God for President Trump.
This Karen may have gotten off the hook, but the next one is not so lucky. After being pulled over, this Karen seems to think she is above the law.
I need driver license and insurance, please. I can't hear you. I need your window down. You're speeding. You are. The speed limit's only 60. We're going 75. Okay, I need you to step out of the vehicle then. Do what? I can't hear you. I can't hear you, ma'am. Can you roll the window down?
She refuses to roll her window down, produce her insurance, or even hand her ID to the officer.
Quicker, we can get out of here.
Okay, she's
Thank
low.
you. I'll be right back.
After claiming her daughter is experiencing a medical emergency, but refusing help from EMS,
Do you want me to call an ambulance for you?
the woman flees.
Zero 7 dispatch. My driver's taking off from me. We're going northbound. Getting on the turnpike.
As the police chase her, she abides by traffic laws, stopping at a red light, using her indicators at turns and during lane changes, as well as pretty much staying within the speed limit. It all comes to an end when the woman pulls into a gas station and the police arrest her.
While you're following me around, you put your hands on me.
Ultimately, the Karen is arrested. This drunk Karen had the police called on her after she was being belligerent with hotel staff.
I have a question for you. So,
Are you Julia?
What the fuck are you guys like doing right here? Because I'm gonna get the fuck up and leave if I see any more people surrounding this place. And also, like, why are you surrounding me? Like, I've done nothing wrong, and like you're watching, like.
After police told her she needed to leave, she did this.
Out of here. Get me the f- out of here. You don't need to sit down now. Get me out of here. Why the f- Excuse me, but I need to talk to my.
He's coming down now.
I need. Why the f- are you doing this to me?
Hold on, we'll wait for
What
the
are you
guest.
doing? I need to talk to my boyfriend.
He's on the way down. He's coming downstairs.
Do you know? How do you know this?
Listen, miss, he's gonna meet you outside.
How do you know this?
I just talked to him.
Why are we talking to me?
Jerry's coming right now.
Yes, why are we talking to me?
Because you're causing a disturbance, that's why.
Okay, why are we talking to me? Why are we talking to me? What have I done? What the
Across the street.
Okay, well then push
Across
me.
the street.
Push me. No, push me across the street.
And you can
Fucking take
You can get off. You can go to jail for trespassing. Is that what you want to do?
Jesus.
Across the street.
Jesus.
You guys go. Yeah, when the window is now.
This next Karen seems to think that begging for her mommy will help her situation.
Why are we being asked if we have guns?
Well, stop right there. First off, you're driving without any taillights. Second off, we keep getting reports of people stealing packages off the porches. Where all these boxes come from?
We were building gingerbread houses. I got them at the recycling. I just stopped right there and got some.
The woman claims that the boxes in her car are not packages, but instead boxes for gingerbread houses.
Underage. He's only 15.
Okay. So when we go watch these videos from all the ring cameras of people stealing off the porches, is it going to be him? Because he's wearing a mask just like the person in the video.
No, that's because he keeps his hair down.
So he's wearing a ski mask because he
And
wears
it's
his hair
cold
down?
outside. Yes, it's cold.
He's in a car. Why would he be
He's the one who does my deliveries.
Do you have a driver's
for me.
license on you?
Mommy, please come here. I'm sending you my location.
Are all these boxes empty?
Some of them are.
Which ones aren't?
I don't know. There was some in the trunk.
Can we look at them?
Yes. Mommy, please come here fast.
Last name.
Can you
Spell your last name for me.
can you open the doors for us?
You could just pull them. I'm sorry.
Last name, please.
Taylor.
Said
Nicole.
Nicole.
Yes.
Sit down.
Hold on. I need to breathe. I'm sorry.
Sit
I have bad anxiety. Mommy, can you tell them?
Sit down.
I'm trying to.
You're not.
I'm sitting
You
down.
need to start
Mommy.
listening. Okay.
I'm trying to, sir. I'm sorry.
Taylor and Nicole.
My anxiety's really bad. I'm about to faint.
Go ahead and step out for me. Put your phone right there for me.
Mommy,
Put your phone right
what's
there.
going on?
You're being detained as well.
Mommy!
Put your
No,
hands
Mommy, go to my house. Come get my phone.
Put your hands together.
My
Put your-
boyfriend, my dogs.
The packages were in fact not for gingerbread houses.